Okay, so this is not the type of content I normally make. I usually make me reviewing realms, but finding realms that are actually worth writing seems to be very difficult for some reason. So if you have a realm, put it in the comments, I'll join it and maybe rate it. Anyway, let's get back into the normal part of the video. I am going to be showcasing a little add-on I made. It is paid, but it may release for free in the future, who knows. So I'm just going to be showcasing all the features of it. And I think if I even release this publicly, it would probably destroy the factions like competitiveness because everyone will have the best faction system. In my opinion, I've not seen one better than this. So yeah, here we go. So one in the world with the add-on, and it's all set up already pretty much. You just like a diamond. You can pretty much have anything you want. You just have to change what item opens it in the code. You can view your invites, which I have no invites pending, and you can also create a faction. I'm gonna call it, what was that? Example Knights. Yeah, I'm gonna call it the Knights 101. Submit. Faction has been created called Knights 101. So I open it. Here we go. We got a whole new menu. The Knights 101. We got the leader, which is me. So I see a bunch of buttons that, the members won't see. So there's the members and the banks. First of all, we can invite members. We can type in their name. It's not case sensitive either, so that's good. We can view our members. It will just have a list of our members here. We can view our faction bank, which you can see bank balance and then our money. You can deposit and withdraw money. Now, in the Emerald, this is the admin menu, where the admin of the world can do a bunch of stuff. You can set the member count. This includes the leader, so we have 5 members plus the leader, so we do 6. We have the factions money menu. Now, this is the interesting part. Some people use dynamic properties to store their currency, or they use scoreboard objectives called like balance or money. So if you're using a scoreboard objective, you just type scoreboard, or if you're using a dynamic property, which I am, you just put dynamic, you put the name of your dynamic property or scored objective. Money, then submit it. So this is also how you purchase claims as well using that system. You can also delete all faction data, which gets rid of absolutely every faction and everything. And you can set the claim prices. Now, in here, you can claim land. You have size 1, which is 32 by 32, meaning people that are not in a faction or not in your faction in a 32 block radius around the center point of where you claimed cannot break or place blocks in your area. And then we can also expand it using money. We can here see here size 2 is a million. We upgrade it. Oh, you need you need a million. I don't think I have enough money, to be honest. Have a little look. Your faction bank. Nope, I have no money. Which is kind of sad, to be honest. But we go here. It's claim 2. We can also change the size. Oh, they're not the size, sorry, the price a little too. Bet. Claim land. And see the price has changed. This is the full admin menu, it's fully customizable. And we can obviously rename it if we want to name it to, Knights 102. Boom, and then the whole faction is named to Knights 102. The good thing as well about this is you'll never run out of characters. I'm using a database which I made, which is 1,000,000 characters long, which uses 32 dynamic properties total, which can also be increased if needed, but I don't think anyone will ever need to increase that. You can also kick members, and you can also disband your faction, which I'm not going to do that yet. I'm also going to display the -F top system. This displays the, what's it called? Top 10 factions by bank value. You can go into the quadrillions, septillions, nonanillions, decillions, all that stuff. So you can go into all that. As you can see here, if I disband my faction, do -F top, no factions found. You can also do -factions top, no factions found. I can delete all faction data, which there is none, but yeah, it's deleted anyway. Pretty much everything that you would need. You can also remove your claim. So if you claim your land here, I can go away from it. I can also upgrade it and go away from it anytime I want. I can remove it. It also works if you upgrade your claim. So if you upgrade your claim, remove your claim, and then move it and then place it, it will still be the same level. Claim the land over here. Perfect. That's pretty much everything. Everything you could ever need for a faction system. It's perfect. There's nothing else to really say other than that. If you would like to purchase it, prices are negotiable, or in the or just add me on Discord. And the price of it will be in the description as well. So yeah, got more add-ons. Let me know what ones, and I can code them. Yeah. W outro anyway. Bye bye.